everyone. Point of sale refund limit days app helps user to refund order within a given period of time. User can configure or set a return period for that in that specific number of days the order can be refunded within that period. So let's start with the point of sale configurations for return policies. So for that, let's get into end settings. Under point of sale, we can see an return period. So user can set a return period for that in that specific number of days. The order can be refunded within that period only. So if I have placed a period, that is number of days will be 1. So yesterday's and the day before today's order will be refunded. If I have placed this order number of days as 0, today's order must be refunded, not for yesterday's order. Okay, let it be. Let's save this one and get back to the point of sale now. So from here you can see a refund option is available now. Let's get into that. Here we can see yesterday's order as well as today's order. So let's refund by using an yesterday's order. Yeah, I have placed a refund option for as a 0, so it will take only a today's order to be refunded. So it will be shows a warning message if I have choose an yesterday's order or a before order. Okay, so here you can see you cannot refund the order that exceeds refund policy days. Then click on the OK. Let's continue with the today order. Okay, this is the one of the order that I have placed. So from here I am going to refund an office chair. So let's select the quantity to be refunded. Now by just clicking on the refund option, we can just refund it. Okay. Yes. So in this way we can make use of this refund limit days module. Thank you for watching.